Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you a very simple basic border. So easy, I'm sure you're going to love it. So I finished the blanket that I did the tutorial. I will put the link below so you will know where to go and check this out. It's very simple, just done in double crochets and chains. That's all you have to do. So what I did is, after coming here, after crocheting the last row, I did 4 rows of single crochet on top of the double crochet here, and on the corners I did 1 single crochet, 2 chain, 1 single crochet, just like doing a granny square when you do on the corner. So that's all you need to do. Okay, so I came where I started, so I'm going to start the basic simple that can be and you're gonna love it. Okay, so from here, so I'm just starting right here, and I have crocheted with 2 strands of this lovely yarn, and as you can see, it turned out perfect. Okay, so I'm doing my last single crochet. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 3, and then right where I did the first chain, I am going to yarn over right here. I'm going to poke my crochet hook and pull. So I'm going to do a puff stitch. So 1, 2, 3. Going to pull, going to chain 1. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to skip 1, 2, 3. So on the 4th, I'm going to make a single crochet. Going to chain 1, and then I'm going to repeat this, but this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and make the puff stitch between this single crochet. 1, 2. Let me pull my yarn. So I'm just going to repeat that. 1, 2, and 3. Pull it once. And then chain 1. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this again. 1, 2, 3, skip 3, and on the 4th make a single crochet, chain 1 automatically. Okay, so I'm going to repeat, making a puff stitch, holding it this way. 1, 2, 3, and pull and chain 1 again. And then this is all we do. 1, 2, 3 on the 4th. Make a single crochet. Chain 1. See how the edge becomes, the border? I think this is brilliant. I wanted to do something different. And again, I wanted to focus on the blanket, not on the border, but make it simple to the touch. So I'm going to continue making puff stitches, holding it this way. 1, 2, and as you can see, I'm not holding the strand long, so it's not that of a thing. Chain 1, and then again 1, 2, 3 on the 4th, make a single crochet. Chain 1. And I'm holding it this way. Like I'm not pulling my yarn. That's what I'm trying to say. So I am just trying to make it as short as I can, so it looks nice. 2, and I do it 3 times, and I pull, and I chain 1. So this is all to it. 1, 2, 3 on the 4th, make a single crochet, and after that, chain 1. And if you notice, if it's tight, then maybe don't jump 3, jump 2. So we don't want it, you know, pulling. So you can play around with it. So 1, 2. On the third, make a single crochet instead of making 4. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2 on the third. And you will notice when you're looking, see, it should be nice and straight. One, 2, 3, pull 1, and then chain, chain. Then grab 1 strand. Okay. Chain 1 again. Yeah, I'm not gonna skip 3 because it kind of made it tight. So you just need to figure it out. I just love this yarn. 1, 2, 3. See, you will notice if it's pulling, then skip 2, and then make your single crochet on the third. Chain 1 after that. So I'm going to be repeating this all the way to the corner, and I just wanted to show you how to turn this corner. So I will meet you all the way here, and I'll be right back. So far, this is how it looks like. I'm at the corner right here, so I did my 1 chain, and I'm going to, I think when you skip 2, it's way better because it's not pulling. It looks nice. So I'm going to be skipping 2, and this is the first time I'm doing it with you guys. So yeah, and I think it's turning out perfect. You know, I just get these ideas. You know, I've been trying to figure out what to do with this edge because looks nice, and the color is so pastel. So 1, 2, 3. I am going to make a single crochet, chain 1, and then hold it like this and make a puff stitch. Okay, so right here, I'm not going to skip 3 or anything. So I'm just going to skip 1, and on the corner here, right on the corner, I'm going to make a single crochet, chain 1, and then I'm going to, like, I'm not pulling this, right? So that's why it's not huge. The puff stitch isn't that huge, and it gives a nice look. So this is all I'm doing, 2, 3, and then I'm pulling it once, chain 1. Okay, and here I'm not going to skip again. So right on the next one, because it's being a corner, I'm going to make it like this, chain 1, and then make a puff stitch because I'm trying to create a corner right there. Chain 1. Now I can continue skipping 1, 2, and on the third make a single crochet. I think it's turned out pretty good. Please let me know your comments on the comment section if you like it. I would really appreciate it, even if you can put a heart there. So 1, 2, and on the third again make a single crochet, chain 1, and then continue on. So I have 3 more edges to make, and this is how it looks like. I think it looks nice, doesn't it? Okay. This is how it looks like from the back. Let me just show it to you. See? I think it looks nice. See? see, the blanket itself is nice and elegant, so the edge is just finishing it up. So I didn't want to, you know, when you look at the blanket, I don't want you to focus on the border. It's just a simple basic border, so it's not paying that attention. So when you look at the blanket, you will look at in the middle and then go to the border. So I hope you like this short tutorial. I just got this idea and then wanted to share it with you guys, and I hope you like it. And it's so easy, and like I said, it's very simple. Just a puff stitch, and this is how it looks like. Well, stay tuned. I am going to be working on a new blanket, and it's going to be a vintage blanket, like, I don't know, 50, 60 years ago. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial for that, so stay tuned. Happy crocheting, everybody. I'll see you next time on my next tutorial. Bye-bye.